Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful, simple, sparkly makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely forgot to do an intro and outro, so let's just ignore that. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and start off with our moisturizer. We definitely want to moisturize, prime our skin before any foundation. I like to use this Laura Mercier just because it feels amazing on my skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face just to make sure that everything is really nice and moisturize. Look how beautiful that is. Like, it makes your skin feel so hydrated. Oh my god, I don't know, this is gold. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I do kind of go a little bit fast when I apply this. I don't know why, but it's just like I have to. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that onto my skin, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my skin. I need something that will keep my makeup on all day, and I feel like this one is just perfect for me. It doesn't work for everybody. I've noticed that because my daughter uses it and it doesn't work for her, and I think it's just the foundation she uses, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a KVD foundation, and I like to dot it all over my face. I don't know, I feel like this method is, I don't know what it is, but I like this method instead of just applying the foundation to my hand and then picking it up with my beauty blender. I feel like the beauty blender does kind of absorb most of the product, and so I feel like it's a waste. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this into my skin. As you guys can see, my skin still looks really nice, hydrated. It looks amazing, feels amazing. So priming and moisturizing is key. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I did fast forward this part because I do like take my time applying my foundation. I don't know, I just love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. If you guys are wondering what shade I am on the KVD, they color matched me at Sephora, and they said I am in the color medium 30. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this from It Cosmetics. I usually apply this before I apply my foundation, but I really like how this dark spot concealer type of thing is not like drying, so I like to apply it on top just to give me a little bit of a boost of a little bit of hydration under the eyes. So, and it's supposed to be for dark spots, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with that little brush that comes with it just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm going with my One Size blush, and I'm using the I forgot what it's called. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this part first. Totally forgot what it's called. Oh my lord, I'm having brain fart right now. The cream color. Jesus Grace, what is going on? All right, so I'm just gonna apply the cream blush first, and then after that I will go and set the rest of my face, and then I'll go set my blush with the powder part. It does come with a cream blush, a powder blush, and it comes with a highlight. I really don't like the orangey highlight, but you know, whatever. So I'm using Gerard Cosmetics setting powder. This one is in what is it? This is the Slay the Bake Blurring Powder from Gerard Cosmetics, and look how beautiful that looks. You can use code PrettyGrace for some money off if you guys are interested in trying this pink powder. I really like it. I use it every day. I'm actually going to order another one because I'm running out of it. But yeah, look how amazing that looks. And the powder puff, it is from Gerard Cosmetics as well. I got it in the shape of a heart because I thought it was so cute. So yes ma'am. So I'm just going to go ahead and set anywhere that I applied that concealer and where I want to kind of brine a little bit. This helps to like brine a little bit. So yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. I like to kind of push it into my skin to make sure that my skin really got the powder in there. And yeah, just kind of retouching around my nose because I feel like the around my nose area is where I usually crack and like it doesn't stay. So I'm going to be using these two powders. This one is from Too Faced Peach Perfect and Laura Mercier powder together. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my blush. I really like my blush to pop a lot, so yeah. Then I'm going with this Laura Mercier Soleil one, and it's a bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face just to give myself a little bit of color and my little jawline just to make sure that you can define it and see it. So And it's okay if it looks harsh, you guys. I definitely go back and I reblend everything out. I just kind of like to let everything sit for a little bit, just so that when I blend out everything, it doesn't like disappear on me. I feel like that happens a lot, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of contour on my nose, just a little bit. I feel like I need a cooler tone bronzer for my nose because I feel like it's too warm. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Then I go ahead and apply a little bit of setting powder around the nose just to set it a little bit right there. You guys can see that. And then I just go back with a brush. I was gonna say blush. A brush, and kind of just like blend everything out. So I decided to apply the highlighter color so you guys can see what it looked like. I honestly don't like it. I'm more like of a goldish highlight. I don't know, but I mean, this is pretty, but it just, I don't know, I just don't like the orangey tint that it has. Then I'm going with this Gerard Cosmetics highlighter from Sophia. As you guys can see, I had to go and apply another different highlighter because it was just too orangey for me. And yeah, oh my god, how beautiful that looks. Don't forget, if you want to purchase from Gerard Cosmetics, use my code PrettyGrace for some money off. Yes sir. Okay, we're gonna blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended and all that good stuff, and there's no harsh lines. I don't know, I really like how my foundation came out. This is gold right here, my Milk Makeup Hydro. I love it. It makes my skin feel amazing and look amazing. I don't know, I love it. I cannot go with anything else but this setting spray. Just makes me feel glowy and, you know, dewy, all the ooey parts, the good ones, not the bad parts. All right, so I'm just letting it sit. Then I'm gonna go with my highlighter. Oh no, my bad. With my bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my eyes. I don't know what I'm doing, girl, seriously. Get your shit together. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead with that bronzer and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyes. Easiest look you're ever gonna do, guys. If you ever want to do some makeup on your eyes but don't want to go too crazy, just bronzer and you're good to go. So I'm applying this bronzer all over my eyes, over my lids, and blending that out just to make sure everything is really nice and blended. You want to make sure it's blended. You don't want it to be too harsh or too crazy. So yeah, so I make sure it's all over my lid up to my brow bone. It's fine. Well, we can apply color. Then I'm going with this Fenty Beauty. I don't know what it's called, but it's so pretty. I decided to apply this on my eyes. Just a little bit to give it something a little extra. Bam. So look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It is gorgeous. Like, all I did is apply a little bit of setting spray onto my brush. And then I dipped it into the glittery powder thing and then just applied it. And I kind of did take my time doing this just because I wanted to be precise where I wanted. So then I'm going with my Urban Decay mascara. I'm just going to apply some mascara, prepping my lashes for some falsies, just to make sure that everything is really nice and prepped. So I don't know why I'm taking so long doing this. I'm going to apply lashes like duh. Anyways, I'm reapplying that bronzer again under the eyes just to give it a little color. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna apply some falsies. I believe these are from Bold Face Lashes. Pretty Grace for some money off. I'll link everything down below for you guys. And then a little bit of mascara again to the bottom lashes just to make sure that the lashes pop, and then apply some lashes to the tops just to bond them with the falsies. All right, for lip liner, I believe I am using Morphe's, let's see, what is it? Sweet Tea. I'm using that as a lip, and I believe for my lip color is Fly Girl from PO.BOX, I believe. So I like lining my lips now. I don't know why. Before I didn't like it, but now I do. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so from PO.BOX, and it's like they match. Like, it's like the color is so pretty. So yes, and it's not like drying to the lips. That's what I like about these lipsticks of theirs. They're not like drying or anything. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.